Hello and welcome to this mini course on coping with loss. My name is Dr. Peggy DeLong. I am a licensed psychologist and grief therapist, and I will also be speaking to you coming from my own personal experiences in coping with loss. The death of a loved one can be the most traumatic experience and emotionally painful experience in your life. The following suggestions in these brief videos are designed to help guide you through that healing process, to make it as healing as possible and to make it as meaningful as possible. The first suggestion is to be fully present with your emotions, to resist that temptation to push them away, to allow yourself to be fully present in your grief, whether that be with your emotions or sensations. Even though grief can feel terrible and overwhelming, it is normal. It is a natural reaction to the passing of a loved one, and it is an important part of the healing process. And not just important, but necessary. Unfortunately, there simply is no way around grief. We must move through it, and these suggestions are to help guide you to move through it. So allow yourself to have the tears flow when you feel like crying. Sometimes we experience the passing of a loved one through our senses. The grief comes through our senses. It can be through in the form of hearing a voice, or a scent, or a sound, or something visual. So allow yourself to take all of that in and be fully present with your emotions in these moments. And it might be helpful to remind yourself that the pain will be there, and simply to allow yourself to feel it and process it, and to trust that one day you will feel better. But it is important to feel along the way. One of my favorite quotes is from psychologist Edith Eger, and she says that we cannot heal what we do not feel. So when we don't allow ourselves to experience and process grief, it prolongs the process. So a very important idea is to resist the temptation to push those feelings away.